and this is my sister.
There we go.
This video is sponsored by PrettyCare! PrettyCare is an amazing brand that specializes in vacuum cleaners. You guys can visit their storefront on Amazon. Link me down below in the description box. And today we're going to be reviewing their cordless vacuum cleaner.
Wow!
Yes, we're so excited, guys, because we've heard so much about this amazing vacuum cleaner. Once again, it's cordless, so that's really great and really efficient. And we're so excited. Make sure you guys stay tuned because we're also going to be putting it to the test on a carpet as well as on a floor, as it is a vacuum.
Yes. And then before this video starts, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. Join the family.
Yes. Alright, let's see the package. Woo! Ooh. 4-in-1 cordless vacuum cleaner.
Wow. You can see the PrettyCare logo on the side.
And here, it has like 6, 7 benefits. It has, let's see, LED touch display, adjustable telescopic rod, rechargeable battery, 180-degree plus 90-degree rotation, 280 watts brushless digital motor, and high efficiency filter systems.
Wow.
Okay.
So many different things that this can do.
Yes, we're so excited. Once again, guys, make sure you stay tuned because we're going to be putting this to the test. But yeah, this is really, really cool, and I'm so excited to use it.
Yes, I'm so excited. We should open it and just show them.
Yes.
Yeah.
Alright.
Okay. I like how simple the design is. It's not like heavy and large.
Yeah, it does not look like one of those huge vacuum cleaners that take up a lot of space in your house. And it also doesn't have to be like, when you see vacuum cleaners, when you see vacuum cleaners like in like shows or stuff, you see like vacuums that are like plugged into a wall and have like a wire following it.
Yeah.
But this one is cordless, so I can't wait to see how that one looks. Alright. Okay.
Alright guys, we have a manual.
We have a couple of parts here
Instruction manual.
that we're going to be putting together.
Yeah, a few parts. Not too many.
Yeah, not too many.
And there's a brush inside. There's a brush inside. Okay, this is everything that came out of the box.
I have some. Alright.
Okay.
You can see that manual and see how to assemble this.
And we also have a card that says here, PrettyCare. It gives us a website, PrettyCareLife.com. Also gives us an email, us@PrettyCareLife.com. And we have a Facebook, PrettyCare Life. We have an Instagram, PrettyCare_vacuum.
Yes, guys. Once again, you guys can shop for this amazing product as well as their other vacuum cleaners on Amazon. Link me down below in the description box, so guys, make sure you guys go there and check them out. Alright. Oh, let's see. So we need instruction manual. Alright.
Let's open these boxes while you read the instruction manual.
Give us parts.
Oh.
Give us cleaning and maintaining. They also give us charging. Now I'm going to go to the assembly. Alright. We're going to start here.
This is like the head of the vacuum.
Oh, yeah, okay. Oh, this is big. It's bigger than I thought, actually. I thought it was going to be like...
Whoa, wait, that's actually large.
It's like a huge, like, blaster.
Yeah, cool.
Whoa. Oh, okay.
Ooh.
There's a
Already charged for us?
here.
That's
yes,
perfect.
it's pre-charged, guys. Alright. What? So let's put these together.
Gotta break that open. Okay, this is a large head, guys. Look at this. Wow. This is where all the dirt is gonna come through this.
Oh wow. Yeah, that's big.
This is actually pretty big. I didn't expect this to be that big.
Yeah, these are like, this is much bigger than I thought. Here you can see their brand name here, PrettyCare. Once again, you guys can shop for this amazing vacuum cleaner as well as their other ones from their storefront on Amazon. The link will be down below in the description box, guys.
Link down below.
Alright, let's see.
See how this moves. Okay.
Oh,
Not making too much noise.
It looks so cute. Okay, so here's the charger.
So we got charger. Not too big. I like that.
I'll take that. Click. I heard the click.
That's good. Is the manual pretty straightforward?
Yeah, it is.
They have a pretty straightforward manual that you guys can use.
Yeah, there's no word. Well, on the first page, there's no words. It's really easy to read.
I love picture manuals. I feel like they're just better.
Yeah, picture manuals are always nice because like you just see the parts and because these parts are so big too, it's even easier.
It's very, very cute.
Yeah, it's really cool.
Yeah.
I hope you guys can see the front. Yeah. So guys, look at the manual. It just says it even has the sound effects. See, it has like it says click. But next, we have this going.
What did you about it?
I like the color and I like the shape and size of it. It's not too big.
Yeah, I don't get a lot of black and gray. So.
Yeah.
Oh, I believe. Oh, okay. So there's three different functions. There's three different functions, guys.
Okay.
So instead of using this one, you could also use this one and click it there, as well as this one and click it here. I thought that I was supposed to put them all in the same place, but it's only doing that because there's three different functions of this vacuum.
Okay, we got two. It comes with 2 screws and 2 of these white things that I don't know exactly what are, but we're gonna need them. Ooh, this goes under there, it seems. We're gonna need this.
Yeah, okay, yeah. Alright. Oh, there's still some stuff here. Alright.
Yeah. And I think this goes under it or something. It's like a sticker.
Like to keep it on a wall, perhaps? Or
No, definitely not. No. Maybe actually.
Well, we will figure it out, guys. But these are really cool. You see, there's like different ways to use it.
I want to see what this is for. This is so cute.
I'm not sure if that's just like to clean like this part, like here or something. No, the inside.
Oh, no. It's too soft. It's like
No, like for the dust.
Oh yeah,
I
maybe.
think, yeah. It's not
It's
that
too
soft.
soft.
No, it's not that. I think
Yes,
it's
it
good for to clean the dust on the inside. I think that's probably what it's for.
I like how this was like the main part was easy assemble. That was good. These are the ones that we didn't use yet. This is a long charger now. I think about it. Like it's long.
So this is the wall brackets, which is what it tells us here. So basically, this is what we can use to stick it on a wall. And I hope that looks really cool.
This is gonna hold the entire thing, guys.
Yes. So you take off these, stick it, and I'm pretty sure this attaches to this, and that's really cool.
Ooh.
But
We should
here,
definitely put this in our kitchen or like our bathroom, something.
yes. And here it says washable. This is the filter that we're going to be using for the vacuum. And I love that it says washable because that's really cool. You can clean it out. It's a filter.
I like that it says that because so we can know.
Yeah. And this is for cleaning the inside of the vacuum. And here's just the charger. So yeah, I'm so excited. It also comes with
These screwdrivers.
Yes. Once again, guys, here's the information. You guys can shop from their storefront on Amazon.
Ooh, it also says on the back, scan with the Transparency app to learn more. Download.
Oh, sorry.
Download the Transparency app. Get it on Google Play or Apple Store.
Yes. So, let's scan that, read it.
Yes,
Okay.
and guys, go click all their links down below. It'll be down below. Go to their Instagram, their Facebook, their, I don't even know, TikTok. Go to everything.
Yes,
go check
guys,
them out.
go to all of their information.
Yes, guys, go to their Amazon storefront, guys. Go check out this vacuum because it looks stunning. It looks
Yes,
amazing.
guys. PrettyCare is an amazing brand that sells amazing vacuum cleaners. Here we are showing their cordless vacuum cleaner, but they also have different ones there. So guys, make sure you guys go to their Amazon storefront, see what they have, and see what you want to get.
Yes, guys.
Yeah.
And if you recently, guys, if you've been trying to reach our Instagram page, we have been hacked, sadly, but we are going to get it back, guys. We're gonna get it back. So, guys, if you guys look for it and it's not there, we are hacked. But we'll be coming soon. We'll be getting our channel back, guys, on Instagram, and just go follow her if you see it's back.
Yes, guys. Make sure you guys go follow us on Instagram at the Dynamic Family Official. All the information will be down below in the description box. So, guys, make sure you guys go there and follow us once we're back.
Yes.
Alright, guys, make sure you stay tuned because once again, we'll be putting this amazing cordless vacuum cleaner to the test. Okay, guys, now we're going to be showing the amazing vacuum cleaner. Once again, it is lightweight and self-standing, which is amazing add-on to this amazing vacuum cleaner already. Once again, you guys can shop for their vacuum cleaners on their Amazon website.
Down below, guys. Go check it out.
Yes, all the information will be down below in the description box. And let's get started. Alright.
Yes.
So, I will show you guys. Okay, guys, we're now going to be putting the cordless vacuum cleaner to the test.
Yes, guys. I'm so excited.
Yes, we're so excited, guys. And like we said before, it is lightweight and self-standing, unlike some other vacuums. So as you can see, it supports its weight itself. This is really, really great.
Wow.
Once again, you guys can shop this amazing cordless vacuum cleaner from PrettyCare's storefront on Amazon. The link to there will be down below on their website. So yeah.
You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry.
video is sponsored by PrettyCare. You guys can shop from their storefront on Amazon. All of that will be down below in the description box, so guys, make sure you guys go check that out right now. But anyways, I'm going to be changing one of these here to this brush right here that is a 2-in-1 that you can use to clean a sofa or a table or anything like that. So I'm going to be switching it right now. Alright, so it is actually really easy to switch between the 3 different accessories here. All you have to do is click this blue button here. So basically just hold the front, all you have to do is click that, and it comes right out. Wait, no. This part. We're going to click this part, and then it comes right out. And so this is what we just used, and now I'm going to be attaching this one. And that's it. As you can see, very easy. And here is the dustbin mode. Don't worry guys, we will be emptying that, so guys make sure you stay tuned. But yeah, now we just use this to simply sweep off a sofa or a chair or a table or anything like that. So just gonna put this down. And you guys can watch me clean this chair here that we have. Alright. Oh my goodness, it's actually really cool. So here, as you guys can see, this like instead of just having all these brush strokes, there's like this thing in the middle. This thing actually sucks in the dirt as it's sweeping, so that's really cool. Because of this thing, a lot of dirt. If you guys saw it, I hope you guys did. But don't worry, I'm gonna clean this entire chair. Guys, why don't you come closer and I'm going to continue. I just really like the stance I have with this. If you guys know, then you know. But yeah, I'm going to continue because this is really great and really efficient. And it's actually really cool. It's like nothing I've ever seen before. I like it. And it's at a great affordable price as well. So guys, make sure you guys go to their storefront on Amazon and get yourself one of these right now. Alright, let's continue. Okay guys, this has been a great brush, but before we change it up with the last final one, I just want to up the suction power and see how it is. As you guys can see, we have a plus sign as well as a minus sign here. So I'm going to turn it on and try to press it. So let's put this to the test. We're going to press. Oh, you guys. And then I lowered it to 1, but then I made it 2 or 3. You can see look how quick it goes. Okay guys, if you come close, you can see that how strong the suction power was. It even made like these lines here. Yeah, that's how strong the suction power of 3 was, and it's really quick and efficient as well. So before we switch out to the last and final brush we have, make sure you guys go check out their storefront on Amazon. Link will be down below in the description box, as well as the link to this amazing product. So guys, make sure you guys go there. Alright, it's time to switch to the third one. Or why don't we clean out the dustbin first? Let's clean out the dustbin and then we'll switch to the final. Okay guys, it is now time to clean all of the filters as well as this dustbin here.
Yes guys, it did such a great job.
Yes. Alright, so it is very easy. All you have to do is click this button and this entire thing pops off. You can click it. And wow, it's off. Yes guys, here we're going to empty this. All you have to do is rinse it with cold water and leave it out to air dry, and that's all you have to do guys. So I'll take that. You just take the first filter out, the one they also gave us an extra of this is really great.
Yes guys, this was the filter you guys saw earlier. This was it inside of it.
Yes. Well actually no, this one was it was already inside when we opened this. This is really cool. So you just take that out and then and then out. Alright, so we have it out, and we're also going to take this part.
Guys, this part, after we took out this, the filter, and then we just, I think we might have to screw this out, this part.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh wait, no, sorry.
Or do it to this side.
Okay, yeah. Just press it in there. Guys, all of all you have to do is really simple. They have these like bright blue buttons all over every single item.
Very simple.
Yeah. Wow.
I'm gonna empty the shower.
Guys, look at all the dirt that it collected.
So much in such a short amount of time.
Yeah. And this is also like really easy to hold and it's really comfortable. It has a really nice grip to it, as you can see here. So yeah, we can just rinse that out.
Yes.
Wait, let's take it out.
Take out the garbage. We're gonna put this in the garbage and then we're gonna rinse this right out.
Guys, make sure you subscribe to our channel and go to PrettyCare's website and their storefront on Amazon. All the information will be down below in the description box, so guys, make sure you guys go check that out.
Yes, guys. Go down below with the links.
Alright guys, so we just finished cleaning it and drying it, as you can see. Here are the filters. We're going to put it back inside of their base.
You're chilling in the rain. You're some kind of butterfly.
This part
Baby, you
here.
give me midnight.
See, it's all together where the filters are and where all the dirt gets collected. As you can see, it is much cleaner than it was before. And it's really easy. All you need is cold water and a really mild light detergent, and it is really nice. It smells good and it cleans really easily. And now, obviously, when you bring it back inside of the vacuum, you attach it just like it was. And obviously, it's much cleaner than before. And now it's time for the final one, guys. You guys are going to see us put this final one to the test. And let's see how it goes. Alright, let's go to our chair here. And let's turn this on. And this one goes inside, so. Go on top here. We got some poison and get all that. So on top. Let's see how much dirt it collected. Alright, it collected a good amount. I think because we already cleaned it with the other amazing suctioner, we don't have as much dirt as I expected. But there's a good amount in here. And as you can see, it also gets the big chunks as well, which is really great. And yeah, this has been a great experience. And now our chair is sparkling clean, as well as our carpet here, because all these amazing items that we've been using today. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Once again, you guys can shop from their store on Amazon.
Yes, guys, go to their storefront on Amazon.
Yes, guys, because they have amazing vacuum cleaners, and their brand is really great, guys. As you guys saw previously, they have 3 different types of accessories that comes with this one. This is really great. The link to this product will be down below in the description box, so guys, make sure you guys go there and check that out right now. And we'll see you guys next time.
See you guys next time.
Bye.